guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be learning how to make misty mountains with sky, and if in case you're going to be painting for the very first time, then I would suggest you to first choose easy landscape paintings like this. So this will keep you motivated. At the same time, practicing on these will help you improve your skills. So you'll be able to watch the complete process on Amino, who are also the sponsors for this video. So Amino is a community-run app where you can join different communities based on your interest and share content with other people who enjoy the favorite things as much as you do. So in its story feature, I have shared the making of this video in step-by-step method. So you can also download Amino and you may follow me to view my stories. If in case you want to have a look at this content, make sure to check out the link in the description box below and check out several other interesting stories on Amino. And now let's enjoy coloring and learn how to paint mountains. So for making this, we can use a canvas or acrylic painting paper. And now mark a line not exactly on the center. So in step 1, let's paint sky. Here I am using a moist flat brush and picking up white acrylic color and apply it on the top. So this will help in blending process later and will also help us in making the sky less saturated. And now I am using the same flat brush and I am using light blue color, which is made by mixing Persian blue and white. And now take a separate moist flat brush and blend it on the base like this. In step 2, let's paint mountains. And now I am mixing a lot of water to Persian blue color and now create this mountain structure by making these simple zigzag lines. Now apply this color on the top using round brush and blend it on the base using a flat brush. And if in case your colors have dried, then create this mist effect by using white acrylic color. Now add very little black color to Persian blue color and create mountains like this. Create mist effect on the bottom by using white acrylic color. And now use a separate moist flat brush and blend everything on the bottom like this. Now when the base is completely dry, take a dry flat brush and with very little pressure apply white acrylic color on the top to paint snow-capped mountains. So as this side will be facing the light, so we are creating the highlights on the right side of the mountains, and hence the left side of the mountain will receive shadows. And now take light blue color to make these cuts and edges on the mountains to make them look even more realistic. And this is a very easy demonstration of mountains for my dear beginners. Do try these simple techniques and enjoy making them. Always finish the mountains by adding white highlights on the top where the maximum light would fall. And now our mountains are ready, and in part 2 we'll be completing the rest of the painting. Meanwhile, you can get ready with the mountains and join me on my next video where we complete the entire painting together. I hope you liked today's video, and for more such interesting videos don't forget to subscribe, and for some amazing painting stories do check out Amino. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.